Hello, hello, hello. And this is Martha Walters. And today I want to share with you an experiment that I did in regards to the power of our words. In Proverbs 18, 20 and 21, the Word of God speaks about the power of our tongue. A man's belly shall be satisfied with the fruit of his mouth, and with the increase of his lips shall he be satisfied. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and they that love it shall eat the fruit thereof. Today I will share with you an experiment that I did, and this experiment is called the rice experiment. And what you will need is 2 mason jars, medium size. You will need some fresh rice and 2 sheets of paper. In each mason jar, you will designate one as positive and one as negative. Place equal amount of the rice in each jar. In each paper, one will be negative and one will be positive. And the negative sheet, think of all the words that you can think that are negative. Like, for example, I hate you. You are nothing. You will not amount to anything. You are stupid. All the negative words that you could think of, write them on that sheet of paper, cut out each word, and place it in the negative jar. As you place it in the negative jar, you say each word as you place each word in the negative jar, speak it out of your mouth. Do the same thing for the positive jar. Write all the words that you can think of, all the positive words that you can think of. Cut each word out, and as you place it in the jar, make sure you speak it out of your mouth. There is creative power in our words. Life and death are in the power of the tongue, and they that love it shall eat the fruit thereof. I did this experiment myself, and after 8 days, and why it's 8 days? Because I was on my way taking a vacation. It was in April, around the Easter holiday, and I was going on vacation. And I came back 8 days later. Before I left, I placed each jar on the table, and I put the lid on the jar, and I left it there. And when I came back, I checked each jar. And to my surprise, this is what I found. On the negative jar, if you notice, the rice is moldy. There's mold in the rice. It shrunk. And also, it smelled very bad. In the positive jar, if you notice, the rice looks the same, except that there's some little blue specks on each grain, and that is due to the ink that came off of the pen as I put it in the jar. Many of us are in the circumstances that we are today because of words that we have spoken over our lives, or someone has spoken over our lives. Many times we speak negative things over our lives, or we speak negative words over circumstances, and we also speak negative over our loved ones. It's time that we begin to speak positive words over our lives. It's time that we begin to speak the outcome. Whatever is it that we desire, we need to speak those things. I encourage you to try this experiment. On the bottom of this video, on the comment section, I will put a sheet with step by step of how I did this experiment. And I encourage you to try this experiment so you can see for yourself. Like this video, share with your friends and family. Remember, you are where you are because of the words that you have spoken. Change your words, change your life. Thank you.